Before we start, I'm gonna introduce you about Nokia. Once a dominant player in the mobile industry, Nokia found it difficult to stay relevant in the age of smartphone. It was unable to compete with Samsung and Apple because it too depend on update software, late introduction of touchscreen, and prefer for Microsoft Windows Phone over Android. The eventual end of Nokia was the result of strategic error and a lack of innovation, underlying the price of postponing technology adoption.
Okay, now I will explain the evolution of mobile phones. In 1980s, the Motorola Dynatec and other early cell phones were big and mostly utilized for making calls. In 1990s, Nokia and Motorola dominated the market as phones became more compact and useful thanks to digital network in bracket GSM and messaging in bracket SMS. In 2000s, cameras and rudimentary internet were integrated to feature phones. Nokia's robust models and BlackBerry's emails phones became more well-liked. In 2007 until 2010, smartphones such as the iPhone revolutionized phone use by introducing touch screens and app stores. In 2010, as smartphones grew more widely used due to advancement in social media, displays, and cameras, apps became essential to mobile life. In 2020, as phones are now quicker, smarter, and vital hubs for connected devices thanks to 5G, AI, and smart touch integration. Okay, next, I will explain about the technology of innovation towards the mobile manufacturing. We got 3 points here. The first one is miniaturization and power efficiency. The second one is connectivity and network advancements. And the last one, integration of smart features and AI. For miniaturization and power efficiency, devices may now be lighter, thinner, and more compact without compromising powers, thanks to developments in microprocessors, batteries, and materials. Mobile design has become more mobile and convenient as a result of this shrinking. The second one is connectivity and network advancement. As mobile networks have advanced from 2G to 5G, they have made substantial improvements that allow for smoother streaming, lower latency, and quicker data rates. This advancement improves smartphone functioning by enabling features like real-time apps, cloud gaming, and video calling. And the last one is integration of smart features and AI. Advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence have made smartphones smart gadgets with features like enhanced photography, facial recognition, and tailored suggestion. Smartphones are now more useful than just for communication thanks to integration with IoT and smart home appliances. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm going to talk about the incoming rival of other brands of operating system. The first of all is the most popular operating system are Android and iOS. But other ones like Huawei Harmony OS are attempting to compete, particularly in regions like China, where Google services aren't always accessible. Users have more alternatives with this system than with the major players. Second would be Chinese manufacturers like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo are becoming more and more competitive by providing high quality, reasonably priced phones. This is forcing high-end firms like Apple and Samsung to increase their innovation and reevaluate their pricing. Third would be focus on device ecosystem. Businesses are already creating ecosystem by connecting phones to watches, tablets, and other household appliances. Apple ecosystem approach, which is imitated by Samsung and Xiaomi, retains customer brand loyalty for a more seamless device experience. Four will be greater attention on security and privacy. As worries about data privacy increase, companies like Apple and Samsung are fighting for consumer attention. Next, I will talk about the factors that contribute the failure of Nokia. First would be late to smartphone. As the market changed, Nokia fell behind because it was sluggish to adopt touchscreen and app store. Second, outdated software. Nokia was unable to match iOS and Android's more seamless user experience because it had been using Symbian for too long. 3 will be mistaken OS selection. Nokia collaboration with Microsoft Windows Phone was less appealing than Android, which constrained its market share. 4. Problem with leadership. Nokia's position was damaged by its tardy reaction to market development and lost chances. 5. With slower innovation, Nokia was unable to stay up with Apple and Samsung, two of its quicker rivals, due to its lower manufacturing and innovation.
Generation emerged on pursuing new brands. For the first point is value for money. Brands like Xiaomi and OnePlus are appealing to younger consumers who frequently look for premium goods at reasonable cost. For the next point is brand authenticity. Younger consumers are more receptive to newer companies which prioritize social responsibility, sustainability, and transparency. And let's move to the next point, innovation and futures. Knowledgeable about technology, consumers looking for cutting-edge gadgets are drawn to emerging business because they usually provide the newest technology together with distinctive features. Customization and modification. Products from new business frequently provide greater customization, enabling customers to customize their gadget to suit their taste. And last one is influence of social media. To successfully reach and communicate with younger audience, new business use influencer partnership and online marketing.
The conclusion, the mobile market experience of Nokia is a potent lesson on the value of flexibility and foresight. Crucial lesson learning included: embrace innovation to remain competitive. Business need to be receptive to new trends and technologies. Recognize customer preference. A key to success is always aware of the evolving wants of your customers. Be prepared to change course in order to take advantage of new possibilities. Strategic change might be required. Put agility first. In a sector that moves quickly, it is essential to reach quickly to change in the market. In the end, Nokia downfall served as an example of how a failure to adapt might result in lost opportunities and lost market relevance. Thank you.